you might not actually be broke, but you still feel like you are. You earn more than you used to. You save sometimes. Maybe you even invest. So why does it still feel tight? Because wealth isn't just numbers. It's margin. Margin between income and expenses. Margin between stress and stability. Margin between panic and patience. If your lifestyle rises with your income, your margin stays small. And small margin feels like being broke. Not because you have nothing, but because you have no room. Real wealth starts when your margin grows, not when your income grows. This is early capital. Build margin, not just money. Most people don't feel broke because they earn too little. They feel broke because they spend too fast. Income grows, but discipline doesn't. Build margin first. Everything else follows.